Now we need to subtract numbers with a different number of decimal places. So first we have 45.9 minus 13.363. We can use column subtraction for this, but it's really important that we remember that when we're subtracting decimals, it's the decimal points that need to be lined up. We don't line up the numbers with the digits on the right hand side, because if our decimal points are lined up, then the place values in the question, so the tens, ones, tenths, hundredths and thousandths, will be lined up as well. Now we can write zeros in empty squares because 45.900 is the same as 45.9. These zeros just tell us that we don't have any hundredths or thousandths in 45.9. We need to remember to copy the decimal point down into our answer so that the place values in our answer are also lined up. And now we subtract using column subtraction. We can't do 0 minus 3 using the column method, and we can't exchange with the place value to the left, so with the hundredths. So we go all the way over to our tenths digit and exchange 1/10 for 10 hundredths. Then we can exchange 1/100th for 10 thousandths. Now 10 minus 3 is 7, 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus 3 is 5, 5 minus 3 is 2, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So that gives us 32.537. Now we have 25.159 minus 10.9. Again, we've written the numbers out with the decimal points lined up. We can write zeros in empty squares and copy the decimal point down into our answer. 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5. We can't do 1 minus 9, so we go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 11 minus 9 is 2, 4 minus 0 is 4, and 2 minus 1 is 1. That gives us 14.259 as our answer. Finally, we have 7 minus 6.519, and it's important that we write the 6 ones from our decimal underneath the 7 ones that we're subtracting from. Now 7 is the same as 7.000. We can always add a decimal point and then zeros on the end of any whole number, because all the zeros tell us is that in the number 7 we don't have any tenths, hundredths or thousandths. But now we can copy down the decimal point and subtract using column subtraction. We can't do 0 minus 9 using the column method, and when we go to the left we have a 0, we have another 0, so we need to go all the way over to the ones column and exchange one of those ones for 10 tenths. Then we can exchange 1/10 for 10 hundredths and exchange one of those hundredths for 10 thousandths. Now 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 6 minus 6 is 0, so our answer is 0.481. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.